Well, hello everybody. I'm back. And today I thought I would start a new little series for Saturdays. Hi, if you're new here, welcome to the Nail Coven. And today is Saturday, and I'm starting a new series called Skincare Saturdays. Since at the Nail Coven we also offer skin treatments like lightening, waxing, and other things, I thought I'd start sharing some skincare stuff on Saturdays. The first thing I thought I would share is my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine. So, yeah, let's start. Every morning, a skincare routine should consist of a few things: cleanse, tone, correct, and moisturize. And you should do this every morning religiously. First thing we're going to do is get my hair out of my face. Okay, so we're going to start with a cleanse. Usually, first thing in the morning, I would do this in the shower, but for YouTube purposes, I'll just show you at the sink. You want to make sure and do a double cleanse. So do it once, rinse, then do it again. This is to make sure that the first cleanse gets off any dirt and oils. The second cleanse actually cleans your skin. Kind of like when you're washing your hair and you shampoo, rinse, and repeat. The second time, doesn't it feel like a little more sudsy, like things are getting a little cleaner? Same thing with your face, okay? So let's go wash our face. Oh yeah, I use the cleanser from PCA for oily skin since I have oily skin. It is called I think it's called Face Wash for Oily Skin. Sorry, I don't have the package in front of me. I always put it in this little pump for using in the shower, and I guess I got rid of the original packaging, but it looks similar to like this. Okay? And this is from PCA, Physicians Care Alliance. Okay, so we're gonna get the water warm, not hot. Okay, so our skin is super clean, and we want to pat our skin dry, not rub it, okay? And that's just to help with fine lines repeated motions of stretching the skin can cause lines. So we just want to minimize that as much as possible by patting our skin dry, okay? Now next, we need to tone. So I'm using the Smoothing Toner by PCA. Again, this is for oily skin. A couple drops on a cotton ball and just one pass over your skin. Down the neck. Anything I do to my face, I also do to my neck and chest. So everything looks uniform and beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna let that kind of dry. It's kind of tingly, which is good. Feels good. We know we're getting clean. Gonna have beautiful skin. Okay, now the next thing I do is I do my eye cream before I do my serum because I don't want any remnants of the serum mixing with my eye cream. And this is the Dermalogica Total Eyewear with SPF 15. I'm not good at showing the products. Just need a very small amount for both eyes, like not even a pea size, like that much. And kind of just dab it in between your two fingers and around your eyes. So the skin around our eyes is the most delicate skin on our body, which is why we need separate products for our eyes than our face. Our face is different than the skin on the rest of our body, which is why we need different products for that. Then we are going to correct. Today I'm using the Rejuvenating Serum from PCA. This is what I use in the morning. There's nothing in it that's gonna make me sensitive to the sun. Okay, and your serum you want to press into your skin. Now we're just gonna finish up with our moisturizer. For daytime, always use something with an SPF. This is the Weightless Protection Broad Spectrum SPF 45, again, for oily skin. I like to let my moisturizer seep into my skin for at least 20 minutes or so before I start my makeup. So yeah, that is my morning skincare routine. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment or get a hold of me on my Instagram. Which is at the Nail Coven SD. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Because you don't want to miss them, right? I will see you in the next one. Bye.